Okay. So the National Weather Service had issued a tornado watch number 256 in the following 23 counties in Michigan, which are Clare, Grassoff, Isabella, Monta, Mount Clown, Utlona, Calhoun, Clinton, Ettunningham, Iona, Jackson, Allen, Barry, Kalamazoo, Kent, Ottawa, Manbury, Lake, Mason, Muskegon, New Idaho, and Oceana. Those are the counties that are under a tornado watch number 256 until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please note that the majority of Southeast Michigan had not been issued a tornado watch at the moment. So here are the updates with the washes. So according to the prediction for Wayne County might have to deal with a tornado watch that might be issued in an hour or two. But in rare cases, if a storm forecast to be weakened, it might become a severe thunderstorm watch instead. But the following warnings that Wayne County will get for a high chance of flash flood and severe thunderstorm warnings. And there's also a possibility for an isolated chance for a tornado warning. So Wayne County, Michigan did not have any tornado warnings this year. But we did have a potentially, I think we had a tornado that came by once in Wayne County, Michigan. They're still under estimation on the National Weather Service. Take up to 120 days. If there's nothing by 120 days, I'm not going to confirm it due to lack of evidence about the tornado. So we had footage, we had damage looks. We don't know the size and the path. So other than that, I'll keep you updated at this time. Don't forget to subscribe to Downriver Heights Light and Storm for more weather updates like this one. And we'll see what happened with the weather tonight. We are still getting hit with a strong thunderstorm at 12 a.m. tomorrow, Eastern Daylight Time, or 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time / Eastern Standard Time.